Hi guys, welcome to NON Kids News. My name is Olivia Nassis. On today's program, we'll be taking a look at Annie's World Kitchen and gymnastics class and the updates on the capital. But first, let's head over to Annie's World Kitchen.
Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making banana milkshake. Let me show you what you need. 2 bananas, ice, and a glass of milk. Let's mix it all together. Now let's ask the adult to mix it for you. It's all blended now. Now let's have a try. Yummy. Bye.
Thanks for that report, Annie. Now updates on the capital. There are still people protesting about George Floyd around the world. In London, some statues have been knocked down. Today, more shops have opened after being closed since March. Things are slowly getting back to normal. Now let's head over to gymnastics class.
Hi guys, welcome back to my gymnastics class. Nice to see you. Today we're going to be doing the bars, but before we do the bars, we have to warm up. Come on, let's get started. So guys, the first warm up is jogging on the spot. Let's do 10 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So guys, the second warm up is back kick. Let's do 3 of those. 1, 2, 3. So guys, the third warm up is push-ups. Let's do 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Warm up completed. Now moving on to the bars. But if you don't have bars, you can just do a forward kick on. Let me show you one. The key is not to put your head on the floor and your postures straight. Let me show you that one. Now that we're at the bars, let me show you the moves that we'll be doing today. Let me take you through the steps. Step 1, hold on to the bars tight and put your legs through. Until you let go and walk forward. Step 3, you swing. Step 4, you put your hands down. Step 5, keep your legs down and land in your own position. Let me show you that again. Practice makes perfect. Just have fun, guys. Bye. See you soon.
Thank you for joining us. If you want to send an email, please send it to the email address below. And remember to stay safe and have fun.